the children. So the questions we have completed the lesson. What did we learn? So based on these questions we can understand. So what did people say about Rani? What did they say? The people say about Rani, look at your great elephant. Like that they praised the Rani always. So how do you know that Rani was a hard-working elephant? Children, can you remember? How can we say the elephant is hard-working elephant? Because it is going to worked with Mohan in the forest and pull the trees and all these works it had done. That's why we can say it is hard-working elephant only. What was Rani's reaction if anyone hurt Kumar? Yes, if anyone hurts Kumar, immediately it trumpeted and stamped her feet. So it makes big noise and make the others afraid of it. So, and why was Mohan angry with Kumar? Why did he why Mohan angry with his son Kumar? Because he wanted to study well and should settle in a good job. Because that Kumar is not interested to study fast, he wants to spend much time with Rani only. But Mohan didn't agree with that. He can spend some time only with Rani. And what did Kumar do after Mohan and Rani left for the city? So leaving him, both of them went to the city. So what did Kumar do? Then immediately he finished his schoolwork and slowly he came out of the house and he walked quickly to the city only. And why did Rani start charging at the crowd? So why it started to charging? Because the noise made irritated, annoyed. The noise made Rani annoyed and it could not bear it. At the same time it has some stomach problem also. And why do you think Kumar wanted to become an animal doctor? Why Kumar decided to become animal doctor? Because Rani's problem couldn't find fast and later God doctor gave a medicine. Rani felt so happy. So if he becomes the animal doctor, he can treat his animal, that is Rani, and other animals also feel comfortable. That's why he wanted to become an animal doctor. So did you understand the children all the points here? Yes, see children, so we have completed the lesson, the elephant's friend, we enjoyed it, right? So now, here we have fill in the blanks using clue kit. So what is this? Clue kit and fill in the blanks. So here, clue kit here, clue words they have given, whatever suitable for these sentences. Those are naughty, Kumar, Mohan, huge, elephant. So these words we have. And that in which sentence those are suitable, we should write them. So let's see the first sentence. Rani was the most extraordinary. Who is Rani? Rani is the name of? Yes, elephant. So Rani was the most extraordinary elephant. So that we should write as an answer. ELEPHANT, elephant. So the second one, Rani was a dash elephant. What kind of elephant it is? It's a huge elephant, right? So then we should write it huge. It's a huge elephant. So the next one, Dash was a good trainer of elephants. Who is the trainer of elephants? Yes, Mohan. Mohan is a trainer of elephants. So next one, Mohan had son named. Yes, Mohan had one son now. What is his name? Very good. His name is Kumar. His name is Kumar. And see the next one, what is left over? Naughty. Kumar was a naughty boy. Kumar was a naughty boy. So Rani was the most extraordinary elephant. Rani was a huge elephant. And Mohan was a good trainer of elephants. Mohan had a son named Kumar. Kumar was a naughty boy, right? Yes, see children, so now after this fill in the blanks, we have vocabulary part. Vocabulary means, yes, those are meanings. So what are these? Already we have completed this in this lesson. So once again we go through this. What are those? Extraordinary. First word is extraordinary. Extraordinary means very unusual or unremarkable. sorry, very unusual or remarkable. Very unusual or remarkable. So that we call it extraordinary. Trumpeted. Trumpeted means make a sound loudly. Make loud sound, that is called trumpeted. Make a sound loudly. And annoyed. Annoyed means it is slightly angry or irritated. Slightly angry or irritated. And scream. Screaming. Scream means give a long, loud, piercing cry or cries. Like give a long, loud, piercing cry or cries. And amazed. Amazed means it is surprising greatly. It is surprising greatly. So these few words only we have in this. So these once again you read it and learn these meanings for the lesson point of view. Yes, see children. So next we have time to speak well. Time to speak well means we get, yes, missing letters. So what do we have? Complete the following words. Here they have given some words, but they miss the first letter in each word. That letter, whatever the suitable, here they have given. By saying that, whatever the suitable, that we should take it. So let's see the first one. What is this? Dash extraordinary. What can we call it? Yes, it is extraordinary. 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 See the second one, dash elephant. Yes, easily we can find it. That is elephant. 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 And see the next one, dash Ysore. Yes, where did they go? Mysore. So Mysore. Mysore. Next one, dash Rainer. Yes, Mohan was a trainer. So Trainer. Trainer. Next one, dash Roudly. How the trainer felt? Mohan felt proudly. So that is Proudly. Proudly. Next one, dash Ardworking. That is Rani was hardworking elephant. Hardworking. Hardworking. Next one, dash Eautiful. What is this? Yes, very good. It's a beautiful. Beautiful. Next one, dash Estival. Yes, they went for festival. So festival celebration they went. Festival. Next one, dash Chool. Where are you now? That is school. Yes, Chool. Next one, dash Ilently. How you are? Silently. Yes, Silently. Right? So extraordinary, elephant, Mysore, trainer, proudly, hardworking, beautiful, festival, school, silently. Okay. See the children? Next we have a conversation between a teacher and student mission. Student mission. This is a regular experience you also. So if we come to school late, if we ask you why are you late, what is the answer would be? So that we can see here. So teacher asked Misha, why are you late today? So Misha gave the answer, ma'am, I am late because I couldn't walk fast. So why couldn't you walk fast? So then I couldn't walk fast because I hurt my leg. So the Misha gave the answer, she hurt her leg. So why did you hurt your leg? So what happened to your leg? Why did you hurt it? I hurt my leg because I fell down. So Misha has given the answer, she fell down, that's why she has her leg and then she couldn't walk fast. So why did you fall down? So first of all, didn't you see that? Why did you fall down? Teacher asked. For that Misha, I fell down because I was running fast. So she was running very fast. Of course, anyone if we run fast, we may fall down. So that's why she was running fast. She fall down. And why were you running fast? Teacher asked Misha. So Misha said, I was running fast because I was late. Why did you come to school late? Because I was walking fast. So what is this place? That is already she became late. That's why she was telling again the same reason. I was running fast because I was late. But why were you late? Ma'am, I was late because I was late. So again she started to say, I was late like that only. And poor Misha began to cry because her leg was giving her much pain. So she couldn't bear that. That's why she started to cry. So yes, children. So next we have answer the following using given hints. What are these hints? Yes, the question is there and what is the answer also we have here. So very interesting, very easy to you also. Already they have given the answer, but we should make it in a proper sentence. That's it. So here say this, why did you get late? Why did you get late? So the reason already they have given, the train was late. So that you should get the sentence. What is that? I got late. So you get late is there. So that's why we should write it. I got late because what happened? The train was late. The train was late. That's it. So to make the sentence, frame the sentence. That's why already they have given the reason there, answer there, that you should put in a proper sentence, right? How to write the answers? I have to frame the sentences for the asking questions. That's why here we can learn, why do you get late? So I got late because the train was late, right? And why are you helping Mary? So why are you helping Manu? Sorry. Why are you helping Manu? Yes. So I am helping Manu because, yes, what is the reason? He is my friend. He is my friend. Yes. So here question, the answer also there, just we should put them in the proper sentence. So I am helping Manu because he is my friend. And why do people hate Lychee Ram? He is very greedy. So answer is that. So how can we write? Yes, people hate Lychee Ram because he is very greedy. He is very greedy. Okay. People hate Lychee Ram because he is very greedy. See the next one. Why has he gone home? Why? Yes. His mother is sick. So their only answer is it. So put it in the sentence. He has gone home because yes, what happened? His mother is sick. His mother is sick. Right. And see last one. Why do girls laugh at Gopi? He is a fool. That's why everyone is laughing at him. So answer, what can we write? Girls laugh at Gopi because he is a fool. Because he is a fool. Right. So like that we should frame the sentences. Yes, see children. So here we have completed how to frame the sentence. Now here, how to write the answer by using 2 plus V1. V1 means first form of the verb. So answer the following questions using 2 plus V1. 2 plus V1 means to go, to write, to sleep, like this. So you can use the V1 words given in the box. So look at the example first. So what did they give in the box? Here I wrote. See this. Study, read, worship, travel, dance, see, dine, swim. So for all these are V1 forms, that is a verbs. For this we can add 2 in the sentence. So how to write the sentence? See the example. Why do we eat? Why do we eat? Yes, we eat to live. We eat to live. So the same remaining sentences we should fill. So see the first one. Why do you go to school? Why do you go to school? Go to school to study, right? So we go to school or I go to school. Anything you can take. Why do you means all we are students. That's why we go to school to study. To study, right? Yes. Why are you buying this book? Why do you buy this book? Yes, to read. So I am buying this book to read. I am buying this book to read, right? And why do we go to a temple? Why do we go to temple? Yes, to worship. So then we go to temple to worship. Worship means praying the God. Yes, next one. Why do we have trains? Why? Yes, travel. We have trains to travel. So one place to another place to go, it means the main and easiest, cheapest transport is nothing but train. Yes. Why does she come here? Yes. Why did she come here? Yes. She came here. She comes here. Does is there. That's why comes. We should write this one here. To dance. She comes here to dance. Next one. Why do we have eyes? Yes. What do we do with eyes? We see everything. So we have eyes to see. We have eyes to see. Why are you going to the hotel? Why do we go to hotel? Yes, very tasty, delicious to eat. So I am going to hotel. I am going to the hotel. Why? To dine. To eat we can write, but here dine they have given, that only we should take. Why are they going to river? Yes, why do we go? To enjoy. Well, how can we enjoy? First we swim there, right? So they are going to river to swim. So like this, for every verb we should use to there, right? So like this we should frame the sentences. See children, so next topic we have complete the following words with from the clue kit. So they have given the clue kit, elephant, tortoise and parliament. So these words we should supply in the given blanks. What is the first one? As big as. As big as you can feel suitable for elephant and parliament, but here we should go for parliament. And as carefully as and dash, so which is very careful among all these, ant. So as careful as an ant. And next one, as slowly as a dash. So which is very slowly out of this, what they have given the clue words in that tortoise. So as slowly as a tortoise, and as strong as an dash. So which is strong here? That is elephant. So as strong as an elephant. This we can write the answers in this. And see the next one. pick out the naming and the describing words from the following sentences. So we should follow the naming and describing words in this. You have idea about this, children? Naming words means nouns. So nouns means nouns, naming words, our names and any names if we have. And describing words means adjectives. So the description, which is a describing noun. That words we should find it from the given sentence. What is the first sentence? Look at your great elephant. Look at your great elephant. So what is the noun here? Naming word here? Elephant. And how is it? Great. So great, it is a describing elephant. That's why great is adjective, describing word, and elephant is naming word. And see the second sentence. But what a gentle queen she is. What a gentle queen she is. So gentle queen. Queen is nothing but naming word. And it is describing. Queen is described by the word gentle. So that's why gentle is a describing word, adjective, and queen is nothing but naming word. Now we can go. And the next one, we can take that. And next one, Mohan was a good trainer. Good trainer. Trainer. Mohan is a trainer. So Mohan is a naming word and a trainer also naming word. But trainer before the descriptive word is there. That's why we should go for trainer is a naming word and before that the good is a adjective, descriptive word, adjective, describing word. And the next one, she was dressed in beautiful clothes. So beautiful clothes. So what kind of clothes those are? Beautiful. So beautiful is a describing word. What is it is describing? That is clothes. That's why clothes are naming word and beautiful is adjective. And the next describing word. And next, what a great procession it was. Great procession. What kind of procession it was? Great. That's why great is a describing word. That's why adjective, describing word. And what it is describing? Procession. That's why procession is noun. Naming word, noun. So, and the next one, at last they have given, see that the children, all of you can enjoy with this. So take the clay and prepare these steps. So that is by taking that clay, make 4 legs by making short snaky lines, and they have given the complete pictures here with the steps, and with that you can prepare a beautiful elephant, in which generally elephants means grey color we take it. If you want, you can color any other also. So you can prepare the elephant here. Make the trunk by making another snake and curve it, and create an oval shape for the body, and make a ball for the head also, and then make a flat circle for the ear, and use a slip to stick the pieces together, and paint the elephant for color. Prepare all these parts and stick together, and then color it as you wish, and the elephant is ready. You can prepare your own elephant also at home, so you can enjoy this. Wish you good luck.